I heard you were looking for a home under 300,000 with a huge yard in Youngsville, Louisiana. Come take a tour with me. All right, so stepping into this home, you'll be greeted by nothing but natural light. The beautiful chandelier that you have right here in your dining space. It's big enough for a very large kitchen table. We walk over this way and you actually have a really cool bar area that is perfect for alcohol, maybe a coffee bar, anything that you really could imagine for this space. Then right off of here, we have a beautiful wood beam that takes us right over into your living area. So walking into your living room, the first thing you'll notice is the beautiful tray ceiling detail that they have. Gives it a much more grander feeling here. Then you have the beautiful beam that is right here, natural wood that's right over your fireplace. This is actually a gas, real wood burning fireplace. And you have plenty of room for storage, maybe pieces of furniture or artwork that you want to display on each side. As you can see, the living room is a great size. They have a full size sectional right here and it overlooks your backyard, but we're going to get to that in just a second. Let's check out the beautiful kitchen. As always, this is the heart of the home and you always want a beautiful island to be able to entertain. You can put your bar stools here. These are all real wood cabinets that are throughout the property, which is really, really nice touch as well. Comes with the appliance package, which is also available. I love that you have this apron sink right here. It's a nice detail that gives you that cool edge that you get with the countertops, the beautiful stonework that's here, which is dolomite. And then let's go over, this is gonna take you to your primary suite. Let's check it out. Walking right off the kitchen, you have the laundry room. You also have some storage, which is really amazing right here off the kitchen, coming right into the primary. And what I love about this primary bedroom is the size. It's such a big room. You can see that by the king bed that's in here, plus large pieces of furniture, and there's still space. And I love, again, that tray ceiling detail that they have here with the property. No carpet, which is what most people want these days. It has a vinyl plank flooring that runs throughout the property. Now we go over to your primary bath, and this one is a showstopper. In this beautiful bathroom, you have dual vanity, which is really nice touch to have, of course, that shared space. And then you have this beautiful soaking tub, which is really great. It's nice and deep. I've already jumped in there and it's perfect for those nice, relaxing spa-like days you want at home. So walking over this way, we're gonna walk over to your primary shower. And this thing is also a great size. I'm a pretty big guy, as some would say, and there's definitely room for one or two in this one. I would not feel cramped or tight if I was getting dressed or showered in here. So it's a really nice space. I love that they did the tile. It's not like one of those fiberglass inserts, so really nice feature. And then you have your walk-in closet right to the left there. So this home is a split floor plan. So on the other side of the kitchen, we're walking over to the hallway and you have two bedrooms that are here and a full bathroom, which is great for guests or family members. But right here, we walk over. This one would be absolutely perfect bedroom or even a really nice office. I love that you get to see the green space outside. There's lots of natural light here and then all the beautiful details that you can see. And then let's walk over to the other bedroom. So the clients currently have it staged as a nursery, but of course you can reimagine this space as anything you would like it to be. But if you have a young girl, I'm sure she would love the beautiful details that they added here with the moldings here on the wall. I love the cute pink color. Even if, let's say, you don't have a young daughter and you like this space and the feeling that it has, I can also imagine someone just painting this all one color and still having this beautiful detail, maybe stage it as an office or a beautiful guest suite. It's a really nice space. And last but not least, we come out to your backyard. The most exciting, and I would say largest yard that I've seen in a subdivision in a while. This is a huge lot. You have a swing, you have sitting area. I love that they added the little fire area right here, but it's a nice, really open covered space with a huge yard. You have a shed right around the corner for storage, beautiful double gated access that allows you to be able to back up a boat, a four-wheeler or RV, whatever that you need. You'd be able to add concrete or whatever you need over in that area to really make the space your own. But if you're interested in this property, DM us. We would love to show it to you. I'm Drake Abshire with the Solux Group. Or if you have any other properties in the area you'd like to check out, let us know. We'd be happy to help you.